Hey guys!
Ever wondered which souvenirs to bring home from Disneyland Paris?
Well, in this episode we're gonna show you the worst ones.
Are you looking for more fun and informative videos about Disneyland Paris? Check out our other episodes we know you're gonna like too. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get back to the video.
Guys, I hate to admit it, but pens are the worst thing to buy in Disneyland Paris. It seems like a very obvious souvenir, just bring a pen, it's cheap and it's useful, but they are way overpriced and the differences are also very weird. Like for example, like a very advanced pen can be like 10 euros, but if you buy 2 pencils, it's 7 euros. I don't get it. So actually it's quite a difficult souvenir, but when you need a pen, you need a pen, so I'm going to buy this one.
Disneyland Paris, one of the souvenirs you can get is the pressed penny. But is it really a pressed penny?
Hey, pressed pennies, but where's the crank?
In Disney World, you add a penny to a machine, add an extra 50 cents, turn the crank, and then you got your own pressed penny. Over here, they're already pre-pressed. It cost 2 euros.
These are the ones in Disney Village, but they're also at the main gate underneath the train station in Main Street. Here in Disneyland Paris, they are actually medallions. Rainforest Cafe is the only place that we know of that you can still get an actually pressed penny. Do you have an original at home, or do you collect the medallions? Please let us know in the comments below.
It's so cute with the ears.
The Pirates and Princesses Parade! So, it's a first for us, so let's see what it will be! Elise is enjoying it already!
Oh, merci, mais quelle jolie tenue! Oh, mais on s'est mis au jardinage, je crois!
Vous vous êtes fait attaquer par la crayon de couleur! C'est pour ça que tu as des mains!
What is this balloon doing here? Sorry guys, this episode is brutally interrupted by this horrible balloon in front of me. I'm sorry guys, there's a balloon in my way. Well, that actually brings us to the next worst souvenir.
Another very bad souvenir for you to buy are balloons. The worst thing about balloons is that they all float. And they always float into the wrong direction. Like for example in your face when you're walking through Main Street. Or they are in front of your face when you are watching a parade or a show. So these balloons, they look very nice. But they aren't very practical at all. If they do survive your Disney holiday, you have to take them home. You have this giant thing in your car, and when you're at home, where to put it? These balloons are 9 euros. I don't know if that's really expensive or cheap. For Disneyland it's probably a normal price. But I don't know guys, I would choose something else for my 9 euros if I were you. I waved at her and she saw me because she said, "Those ears." Of course, these are Ariel ears, so it was such a fun moment. I had a moment with Ariel.
you don't want to stand in line for drinks, you can also buy them here at Star Tours, in the shop when you exit Star Tours. Well, one of the souvenirs you can get here in Disneyland Paris are mugs. Well, they're great souvenirs, especially if you're a collector, but they're not all of them are easy to drink from. Take a look at this one. It's a bit weird. Aren't you a little short for a stormtrooper? Yeah, what can I say? Most of the mugs, if you have a standard mug, nice shape, good to drink from, nice souvenir. But these ones, well, they're especially for the collectors and nice on a shelf. Also, be aware that not all the mugs are dishwasher safe. This one, for instance, is dishwasher safe. This one isn't. It's not dishwasher safe because of the glitter. It tends to rub off and all the glitter is gone.
These R2-D2 cookie jars, oh, they are still on my wish list. Looking nice, right? Well, actually, we think, well, that's our personal opinion, that costumes aren't really the best souvenirs to bring home. And that's because kids grow out of their costumes. And it's a big waste of money because a dress like this could be around €70 in total. My idea is that there are better souvenirs to buy here in Disneyland Paris, so maybe not these. I love it!
That was it for this episode.
We hope you liked it,
And
maybe next time
we'll see you in Main Street.
You can help us get out of this maze by subscribing.
Please don't let us down.
Help us get our subscribers up. Turn on your alerts for weekly new videos.
And push that subscribe button under this video.